Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today is going to be the first wash on the 59. I'm not going to wax or do anything like that today. I don't have time for it. So literally just a bucket, soap, water. We can see how much we can get off of this car of the old wax that he put on. I hope we can get most of it off. We'll see. But like I said, nothing really like detailing today. Just a first quick initial wash. Thanks for joining the video, guys. Let's get started. I've got very tight spaces that we're working in today. I've got the motor for the hearse here. I need to move that. But I just said I wasn't going to do any serious detailing, and then I changed my mind. Typical steel wool, my famous SOS pads, I did all around the window trim. And I mean, it is not pitted. It is as smooth as glass and looks absolutely brand new. I cannot wait to continue on this car. So now I'll get to the first wash. But like I said, I just couldn't resist hitting the stainless a little bit and seeing what it may turn out like. And it's gorgeous. Okay, everybody, so it's kind of just drip dry time. I'm not going to worry about drying it off right now, considering that we haven't even begun yet, hardly. So the wax does come off when you rub on it, but I have not done bumpers or stainless or anything like that today. So I'm sure people are going to be like, well, you did an incomplete wash. You guys kind of know how I do things. I kind of just do a little quickie wash just to get all the dust off and the road grime after its road trip from Modesto. And then I'm going to spend there will be so many videos on this car. I hope you guys will continue to tune in because this is like my new little baby here. I love it. So I'm going to do some very detailed videos on detailing this car. And every spot that I touch is it just comes out immaculate. And my mom even came out for a little while and helped. We just hit a couple spots with wax, and because we're just so excited. She hit the back of this fin with some wax, and then she also hit where the bullets go right here, and it's just, as you can see, it is phenomenal. So that's the end of this video for today. She looks a lot better. Like I said, there's still a lot of built up wax in places that I'm going to have to use a buffer on to get it off, but it is coming off, and it does not look like it's damaged the paint. And all these white spots here on the back of the trunk, sadly, it looks like somebody sprayed something close to the car, and this is all like overspray of white paint. It wasn't a barn, as you guys saw in my video. If you haven't seen that video yet of where we got it from, I'll tag it in the end of this one so you guys can watch it. But it does appear, unfortunately, that somebody was like using a paint spray gun next to the car because there's a lot of like white paint drips, and it's obviously not from this car. So, but the good thing about it is my mom already did a few spots, like I said, with some wax right here. And when you put some muscle into it, it does come off. So, like I said, we're probably going to get a buffer on it. So to save everybody's arms a little bit of effort, because obviously this car is a beast and it's huge. So, and then the other thing too I'm struggling with today, I've got to get the motor moved for the 60 Hearst. It's on a little motor stand right there and rolls around. So I need to get it rolled somewhere else because I'm working in very tight quarters, as you can see. Nice place to work with the shade and everything, which is good, but a little tight. So need to do some moving of some things. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, as always, for watching my videos. Have a blessed evening. Take care. See you on the next 59 video.